Hello everyone, this is just a little example on what's going to come next in the upcoming weeks with cooking with Big Matt. I had made scrambled egg with tomatoes cooked in with the egg. I'll show you how I did that in an upcoming video. Let's see what this is, just a test run. I got pepper, I got salt. There we go. Not bad at all. That was the first for me with the tomatoes. Sometimes I would make an omelet, but I didn't have the ingredients on what I like to put in an omelet. So I just used what I had, which was a tomato, and I just scrambled it in a frying pan and cooked it into sliced up the tomato and cooked it in with the eggs. Very good, very tasty. I'm going to show everybody how to do that, how I did that in an upcoming video with cooking Big Matt. Alright, thanks for watching.